Okosisi. Imokwanochi, Okosisi. You won't fight. Okosisi. Iroko, Okosisi. Imokwanochi, Okosisi. You won't fight. Okosisi. Iroko, Okosisi. Ochi, Okosisi. You won't fight. Iswallow what you know. You know what I'm begging for. You got to call off for me. Iroko, Okosisi, you want fight, Okosisi, you are ready for battle, are you prepared? This is not just play. You are ready for battle, but are you prepared? This is not just play. Okosisi, if I go journey, let me a number. If I go Okosisi, Iroko. If I go journey, let me a number. Or the number. Iroko, Okosisi. Imokwanochi, Okosisi. You won't fight. Okosisi. Iroko, Okosisi. Imokwanochi, Okosisi.
Kemba, you came to my house, you refused to come inside.
Quit this pretense and explain to me in a clear language that I understand why you killed my brother. What crime did he commit that made you to kill him?
Kemba, are you drunk? What rubbish are you talking about? I'm not a murderer!
Are you a murderer?
Kemba! Kemba! Your other brother, Chinedu, was my good friend. My very good friend turned brother.
Oh, your good friend turned brother. Your good friend turned brother, and you killed him. You spilled his blood. You wasted him for nothing. Look at everywhere. Look at cars everywhere.
Ikemba! Ikemba! I will not have you come into my compound to spill such nonsense. Never! You are like my brother, my own brother. Do you hear me? If you try this again, you will regret it for the rest of your life.
You threatened me?
Yes.
Oji, you threatened me? After killing my brother, you stand here to talk rubbish, to threaten me, Oji! You think I'm afraid of you? I am not afraid of you, and I will never be afraid of you. Okwagi, let me tell you, I will come knocking. I will come knocking. You! Baluchalum, idiot.
Ikemba, how come you left your shop open? I've been here. I didn't leave it open. I actually went down the road to get you food because I know you'll be tired from the house chores. It's something I can do for myself now.
I'm your elder brother, so what do you expect? I have to put in my best now, eh?
Okay, oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Meanwhile, while I was away, Onuwaje chotalum. Okay. Biscuit or neketago? Meanwhile, I brought you this one.
Thank you.
I'm going to check, yeah? Oh, one or two things. I'm so proud of you, Nna. I can't wait for you to graduate as a civil engineer. Oga and Soli will be going to the site and I'll be your foreman.
All thanks to you. You made everything possible.
All thanks to God. All thanks to God. You are my brother, and that makes you my responsibility. So what do you expect?
So many have failed their kid brothers. I am happy that you've not failed me. So thank God for everything.
And so many families have sacrificed to send their loved ones to school, and yet they failed them. And I'm happy you didn't fail me.
I was never going to be that way because I know where I'm coming from.
Exactly.
You know, as they say, whom much is given, much is expected.
Yeah. You're so smart. I am so proud of your brilliance and intelligence. And this is why I'm ready to even sell everything in this shop to make sure you come out well. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you very much.
I'm so happy. I can't wait for you to become an engineer. Anyways, when are you going back to school?
I'll be going back to school.
Oji, you will pay for inflicting the pain and agony on me. Even if it means traveling beyond the bounds of the earth and exceeding the depths of the ocean, I will avenge the death of my brother. I must.
What am I doing here? Welcome to your home, where you belong.
No, I do not belong here. Who are you people and how did I get in here?
You know, yet you ask.
No, I do not belong here, and that's why I demand to know.
One does not question the existence of Achi. You are just as Osebi who are predestined.
What am I doing here?
You are called. 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 You are called.
Officer, that's the man. He's a murderer. That's the man that killed my brother. Arrest him! Arrest this man!
Kimba, what is wrong with you now? You are taking this thing too far. I did not kill anybody. What is wrong with you?
You killed my brother. And I told you, you will so rot in jail. You. Officer, arrest this man!
Ikemba, I'm only being lenient with you because Chinedu, your elder brother, was my best friend. You are making a great mistake, Ikemba.
Young man, you are under arrest. You have a right to remain silent. Or move it.
Ikemba.
Stop calling my name. Stop calling my name.
Which police station did they take him to?
Police headquarters.
I want to ask you a question.
I'm listening.
Did he kill him?
Sister, you know your brother too well. He's a good man. My husband is not a murderer. He can barely hurt a fly. Oji is my brother too, and I know him too well. But Ikemba's accusation is to be taken seriously. If Chinedu is dead, Oji is the right person to tell us what happened to him. It is your duty as his wife to ask him what transpired between him and his friend.
I did already.
And what did he say?
DPO, who you have in your custody is Ijele, one of Iheme. Are you aware of that?
Yes, I know that very well. But you and I know he's a suspect.
Suspect? Does that really matter?
It does matter. There are due process to be followed.
Officer, I can make you 10 million naira richer if you let him go.
10 million?
Yes, I can even make you 20 million. Just let him go.
You mean you're not going to see him? It is of no excess. It is important. I know my brother. He will sort himself out. However, I am late for adoration. If he doesn't get out today, I may see him tomorrow. Okay.
But DPO, this is wrong now. This is unacceptable, DPO. What is all this
and
now?
what gave you the right to hit my desk?
But DPO, this young man killed my brother. He murdered my brother.
Hey! Ikemba, mind your utterances. And do not make an unguided alteration here. I won't take it.
DPO, you are about to take in an erroneous decision. You are spitting on the law. This is wrong, DPO.
Ikemba, I have been in the police force for 3 decades. You don't walk in here to teach me my job.
I am not teaching you your job. That young man killed my brother.
Enough! I will no longer condone your act of disrespect and disregard for me as the DPO of this command. Now get out.
But he killed my
brother. Get out of my office!
You're not saying anything, Oji.
Poverty and riches differ. Just like light and darkness. The Oji you know now is not the Oji you used to know when we were growing up.
Because you killed your best friend?
No. Because I've made money. I've come to realize that I don't have to answer every question. People must talk. So allow them to talk. And while they're busy talking and wasting their time, I'm busy making more money and doing good business.
You have really changed.
Oh yes, I've changed. The only constant thing in life is change. Believe me, at the appropriate time, you and everyone else will come face to face with reality.
You want fight? You want fight and you want fight iskwalo mwagi noko inokwalo mbe na fo ikwado kwala fama you want fight you are ready for battle. Are you prepared? This is not child's play.
If making money is by choice, just like as you make it look, then every poor person will be rich. Then
it is by choice. It has always been a thing of choice. Even the Bible wrote it. Look, bro, it's it's unfortunate that not everybody has the mind to make money. Not everybody has that mind to belong to the League of Billionaires.
I go make you know. In all to in a query. Or be a jerry ego. Not everybody. Look at the way you're calling billionaires. Eh? Wanna daughter ever. And you are still poor.
Bro, I just discovered. I just realized the way to riches.
So?
Look. There is an awakening. I have discovered the way to make money. One day. The way to wealth. One day. If you want, I can show you the way. That is if you want.
Mom? Mom!
Ella, how long have you been here?
Not too long, Mom. Why are you crying?
I'm not crying, my angel.
But I saw tears in your eyes.
I'm fine.
You lie, Mom. Tears signifies pain and sorrow. What is troubling you, Mom?
Ella.
Mom?
Please go and take off your uniform and freshen up. I'll join you later.
Okay, Mom.
I'm sorry. I was actually carried away.
By the thoughts of your brother's demise, right?
It is worth thinking. It's a brother anyone could ask of.
Yes, you're right. But nothing can raise him from the dead. I hope you know that. Baby, I think you should focus more now on how to give him a befitting burial. Don't you think so?
I'm still struggling to believe that he's dead. I tried. One of my regrets is I was able to stop it. But I tried my best. But he wouldn't listen.
Ikemba, you see, here is the list of all the goods here. So you take care of the shop when I'll be gone.
For how long are you people staying there?
Imaguna, I don't know the business, but for as long as the business requires.
Do you know the man in question?
Of course I do know the man. As a matter of fact, I know him more than Oji does. You see?
Go. I wish you people success.
Thank you very much. Because I need to see if I will restock the shop before leaving.
Okay. I will always pray for you people.
If I my business,
If I leave now, you now finish up the goods. The major money is for restocking, and the Ifemap Tanene is what you used to be surviving until I return. Be careful. Be careful, you came back. It's a miracle walking God. He's a miracle walking God. Kimber.
Good morning.
Good morning. Kedu, I hope you slept well.
It was smooth until I had a sudden nightmare.
Nightmare? Not again. So what is it this time?
I don't think it's comfortable for you to travel with Oji.
I don't understand. You're not comfortable, so what do you expect me to do?
I sense evil. Please, can you just cancel the trip?
Yeah, Ikemba, you don't expect me to cancel a lifetime opportunity because of a dream. Just a mere dream.
Your life worth more than anything.
Come on, cut off it. My life is not under any threat. So please. Yeah.
Just listen to me. I don't just dream. This is a sign of bad omen. Please.
You just don't dream. It's a bad omen. Yeah, Joseph, let me tell you, if you want to dream, go and tell them to the Egyptians. Because, listen, I'm not ready to call off my lifetime opportunity because of your dream. Let me tell you, if you are that spiritual and strong, then pray against it. I say more. I just don't dream.
Please don't go. Please.
Ikemba, I think you've overstayed your welcome, eh? Jebeno, go and find what to do. When I'm done, I will come and settle you at home, eh? Just get yourself busy. Are you hungry? I can give you something. Maybe you can go to the house and cook something and be eating. Let me think about myself and plan against the journey ahead of me. Pico. Ike, I came to tell you that I'm ready to go now. Eh? Take care of the shop and take care of yourself. You know, go? Be a good boy.
I wish I can go with you.
No, don't worry. If wishes were horses, men will ride on it. Not all wishes come to pass. Amen. Don't worry, let me go. I will come back safe. Always pray for me. You know, go?
Please be careful.
I will be careful. I will. Not the of my list corner I see a guy. Can't put that.
He wouldn't listen to me. He wouldn't. I never knew I was bidding him final farewell.
Some things are bound to happen, no matter how hard we try to stop them.
He deserves more better than this. He sacrificed a lot, deprived himself a whole lot, good life, in order to see me through school. He would have been alive to reap the fruit of his labor.
I know. But God gives and God takes life. There is nothing you or anyone can do now except giving him a befitting burial.
No. People that killed him will go 6 feet down with him.
Do not take laws into your hands. Vengeance, they say, is of the Lord.
Don't let the weak leave people to do their fight for them. I am not a weakling, and I will never be.
Please, my love, just pull yourself together. Everything is going to be fine, okay? Please. Obin.
Iroko, Roko Sisi. Imokwanochi, Roko Sisi. You want fight? Roko Sisi. Iroko, Roko Sisi. Imokwanochi, Roko Sisi. You want fight?
Dad.
Yes, my darling. How are you?
I'm not fine.
What's wrong?
Mom has been crying in her room. She refused to tell me what the problem is.
I'll talk to her, okay?
I want to ask you a question, Dad.
Go ahead.
Did you kill your best friend?
And who told you that?
I heard Mom and Stan about talking about it.
If making money is by choice, just like as you make it look, then every poor person will be rich. Then
It is by choice. It has always been a thing of choice. Even the Bible wrote it. Look, bro, it's unfortunate that not everybody has the mind to make money. Not everybody has that mind to belong to the League of Billionaires. It's a...
I go met you on not everybody. Look at the way you're calling billionaire. Eh? We're not charging and you are still poor.
Bro, I just discovered. I just realized the way to riches.
So?
Look. There is an awakening. I have discovered the way to make money. One day. The way to wealth. One day. If you want, I can show you the way. That is if you want.
My love. What's wrong?
I'm wallowing in confusion. I no longer know the man I'm married to.
Well, that's because you are busy listening to gossip.
No. There is truth in every rumor. Everyone can't be lying.
Who cares? Who cares if they're lying or not? Allow people to talk. Those sycophants out there, people must talk. It's normal. Where were they when we had nothing? Where were they when we could hardly feed our family? Where were they? Now I'm rich, they are talking, and that's their problem. They spend so much time talking about rich men, wasting their time, while the rich people keep getting richer. Leave them to talk, that's their bloody business. And people must talk about you. That's the truth. Let them talk.
When we had nothing, we had peace of mind. Then, I knew the man I was married to. Right now, you are more like a stranger to me.
Sweetheart, I don't know about you, but me, I have my peace of mind. You need to be like me, be like your husband. Have your peace of mind, learn from me. Don't let these things get to you. We have a child at home, alright? Don't bring in these things and influence her. Push them away. In life, people must talk. It's normal. In fact, when they're not talking about you, it means you're nobody. Give them content.
Long live the Grand Master, the great custodian of Burukutu dynasty.
Welcome, great and noble son of Burukutu. What do you seek in the presence of the god of wealth, power, riches, and affluence?
Noble friends of mine have seek to pledge their allegiance to the great Burukutu.
And what do they seek in return?
They seek.
Let the needy speak for themselves.
I paid a price for speaking against injustice meted on me by another. I seek for your power, wealth, fame, to fight against my enemies.
Yes. Endless flow of wealth. That is what we seek.
What you seek, Burukutu gives in abundance. In return for a token, what can you offer to gain your heart's desire?
I can offer anything.
Yes, anything.
I admire your courage.
Welcome, Ekema,
daughter of Mirocha,
predecessor of Ugolioma, offspring of Ekemesie,
beneficiary of Inyingene,
the ancient servant of Mirocha, benevolent deity.
What do you seek?
You are called. Answer, for your fate was destined by your Sebrua before you were created.
You are called.
You are called. You are called. You are called.
Yes, I do. I know. Dr. Speak. I want to see him in a few minutes. All right.
Ijele Oswafia, my man, Ozopuli Ego 1. Yes. Let's meet in the temple this evening. All right. All right.
We knew about the sacrifice, but we were never ready to plan the impossibility.
And what do you call impossible in this mysterious world?
I mean, getting the skulls of buried corpses.
You call that but a minor tax. And what do you call sleeping with a dead mad woman 7 days after her death without any treatment?
Who does that? How is that possible?
Fortunately, that is the tax I have performed countless times.
What?
Wealth and fame are not for the weak, but for the strong and courageous.
Who else is in town?
Interesting. So does he have a business with us?
He turned down my offer.
What? So, what is the game plan?
You know, you always have the best deal. And I want it.
So, what method and how do you want it?
You know me now. Nobody try and insist my capability and remain the same. Yes. I always want it green and clean. Yes. I think I will do green and clean. Yes.
Then, consider it done.
Beautiful, beautiful. I love that. I got your back.
Again?
Yes. This time, I looked fully inducted. My eyeballs turned red and my mouth started producing thick black smoke.
Did you pray when you woke up?
I always do. But it doesn't change anything. And they're not ready to give up. The throne is empty and they want me to mount on it.
Holy Mary, that will never happen.
Sister, it's getting more scary. We have to do something.
It is okay. Be still.
You have crossed the Rubicon. The point of no return. Now you have the second task to accomplish.
We are ready. Great one.
We are ready.
Dozie, you will feed on human flesh for 7 days. Failure to accomplish this task, you shall die.
Grandmaster, great one. Please, is there no other assignment that I can be assigned to rather than eating human flesh?
You are not permitted to make choices. You only do what Brukutu assigns you to do.
I am sorry. I don't mean to question your orders, but I am just curious. What if I get caught in this act?
Then you bear the consequence. Death. Ikemba!
Grandmaster.
Where is the key?
Who sent you?
My name is Saga. I don't have time to waste time. Get it back, let's go.
How was the deal?
It was successful, boss.
Beautiful, beautiful. I
Thank you,
love
boss.
that. Let me take a glance. Beautiful. To the chamber.
Right, boss.
What's your husband saying about it?
Nothing. He used to show concern, but that was in the past. Since he acquired his sudden wealth, he doesn't care anymore.
So, have you been talking to him about it lately?
What's the use? When his greatest contribution will be, don't worry, someday everything will stop.
This is the highest level of negligence and carefree life.
I'm tired. I am struggling to understand the man I married years ago. I don't understand him anymore.
Come in.
Good afternoon, Father.
Good afternoon. May the peace of the Lord be with you.
With your spirit too. You sent for me, Father.
Yes, you may have your seat. What troubles your heart?
What troubles my heart?
I've noticed that you visit the chapel more often these days. What is it that troubles your spirit?
My family.
There is nothing that the Lord cannot do. I would like to see her.
Okay, Father, we speak with her.
What about her husband?
He has been behaving strange lately.
Tell him to come with his wife on Wednesday.
I will do that.
Remember to pray and recite your rosary always.
Thank you so much, Father.
May the peace of the Lord be with you.
With you too.
This is our new house.
Our new house?
Yes.
I don't understand. What is going on?
If you agree to marry me, we'll live here for the rest of our lives.
Baby, you know I love you, right? But this moment, there are so much unanswered questions. Please, I need you to clarify me. Before we go through into this marriage proposal.
So, are you telling me that you don't like this place?
Of course I do. But I'm so confused.
You don't have to be confused. I will explain everything to you and I'll answer all your questions. Yeah, so he introduced us to a white man that gave us $10 million each, I and Jose, to market his new product.
Wow!
Yeah.
$10 million.
Yes.
This is unbelievable.
I tell you.
My God.
Actually, I thought I was sleeping, only for me to, see it in clarity that I'm awake. That is real.
Oh my God. So you mean you are now $10 million richer?
Yeah, even more to that.
Oh my God.
Even more. So, and then we'll be earning $5 million monthly if we can be able to make up to 85% of every sales.
Baby, this is more than a miracle.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yes. My baby. I'm so happy. Oh my God.
So you don't have problem.
Yeah.
All you need to do, keep asking and I will be giving.
Yes, my love.
When you ask, I will give you.
Yes.
If you ask, I will give you.
And I will be asking.
And I will be giving.
Boss, Richard is here. Yes, boss. Send him in. But boss, I don't think he have good intent. Don't worry yourself. Send him in.
You said she was here.
She brought a message from the parish priest.
What message?
About my nightmares. Father wants to see us.
Us? Why us?
Because we're a couple.
I love you worry too much. Most times you worry unnecessarily about meaningless things. But fine, if you want to see the priest, it's okay. But you'll go without me.
Baby, what is wrong with you? Why are you nonchalant these days? You used to be very concerned. What is going on?
When I was poor, when I had very little to think about.
Well, riches shouldn't change who you are. I am your wife. You can't stop caring for me and giving me attention all because you made money.
Have I ever failed to provide anything you asked for? Anything at all?
Just give me attention, that's all.
Woman, not today. Please. I had a very busy day. I need to rest and focus on other things.
You hijacked the deal and killed my client. Why is that?
That is the game now. That is the game.
Richard is a household name in this business. You don't play such games with me.
I play game with everyone. That is why I'm the master.
You wouldn't want to be hit by unseen force. You have 48 hours to return that deal. Else!
How dare you try and seize my culpability? Are you mad? Napwala! Have you gone nuts?
Need I remind you, I am a god in this business.
God indeed, God indeed. Richard. I am not afraid when I sleep with a widow, because I know where the husband is. Yes, I know where the husband is. I know where the husband is.
Indeed, you know. Let's play at the sound of the whistle.
I am here for you, my man. I am here for you. I'm going nowhere.
I think I will. Yes, I will pick a date to come see your people to perform the necessary traditional rites.
Wow, that would be great. But I think you should take it one step at a time. I mean, you have to bury your brother first.
No, don't worry. I know I'll give him a befitting burial. But let me finish your traditional rites first.
No, baby. Your brother has to be buried first.
It's okay. I will talk to my king's men to pick up a date.
That's very good.
So you're happy now?
Yes, I'm happy. After that, we cannot plan our wedding.
It's alright. It's alright.
Yes, baby.
I'm happy that you're happy.
Yes, baby, I'm happy.
It's okay.
You know I love you so much.
I know. It's alright.
Cynthia, you're not serious. Was that what she told you? She didn't tell me anyways. No problem. I'll do all that you've said.
Jesus! Oh, Ryuku, time is of essence. Miyocha is getting increasingly impatient.
I rebuke you, demons! One does not rebuke Hachi. You will be what you will become from creation. Osebrua has made it so.
I serve the living God. He who you mentioned has designed your fates. Your destiny shall you live. Ekemma. Ekemma! You are called. You are called. You are called. You are called.
There will be no need for that. I will tell him about it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Remind Oji that I came. That parish priest is still waiting for him.
As if that would change anything. I'll tell him anyways.
See you in morning mass.
Okay.
Be good.
Alright, bye.
come to pay my last respect to my best friend.
You shouldn't have killed him and come here to speak about respect and royalty. You hypocrite. I want you to leave my compound now.
Ikemba. Ikemba. Watch your words, Ikemba. Like I said before, I'm here to pay my last respect to my best friend. You shouldn't stop me.
You don't need it. It's of no use. I don't want to disgrace you out of this place. But if you push me, I will do it this minute. So get out of my compound.
Let it be on record this day that the great Ijele came to your compound to pay his last respect to his best friend, and you walked me out. You will come begging. You will come begging.
You won't fight. You won't fight.
I will so deal with him. I will deal with him.
You won't fight. You are ready for battle. Are you prepared? This is not child's play. You are ready for battle, but are you prepared?
I've kept my cool for far too long. That stupid boy is starting to take my meekness for weakness, and I will make him pay for humiliating the great Ijele, one of Iheme.
You can't blame him. Anybody in his shoes will do the same thing. I mean, you knew he accused you of killing his brother. Why did you go to his place of abode? If you ask me, this whole thing is entirely your fault.
And how is it my fault? Are you saying I shouldn't have gone there to pay my last respect to my best friend? Huh?
You have refused to clear the air.
Clear the air on what?
On what transpired between you and your best friend. Both of you left for the same mission. You returned in good health and condition. Your friend died mysteriously. How come?
I should have known that talking with you was a complete waste of time.
All the branches you want to cut the stem. Don't be digging now. The world, don't push your cheek.
See, I am your fiancé. Even when everyone fails to tell you the truth, I, Lizzy, will not. I mean, you should have handled it a better way.
By allowing him partake in the funeral. He killed the deceased.
He's only a suspect, remember? So you cannot swear he killed Chinedu. However, a dog that bites does not bark. He would have gone home more worried if you had welcomed him warmly.
I am not a fan of pretense. And I am not regretting my actions for one bit. For one bit.
Baby, I am so scared, honestly. I don't want to lose you. See, if Oji is really guilty of killing Chinedu, that means he is evil. And your safety is at risk.
Don't worry. I'll take care of myself.
Oh, no.
Don't need to bother yourself.
It has become a fierce battle. And he is well protected too.
Nothing is impossible he can be taken off the surface of this earth like a weed.
That is why I seek for your assistance. Yes.
We have to go to the temple. We need to meet the Lord spiritual.
No, I think this is a minor thing. No need to bother him with this.
Remember, your membership into the brotherhood was not for money. You were a successful drug lord even before your initiation into the brotherhood. Yes. It was your primary objective was just for protection, and this is one of them. So he has no choice than to assist you. He will.
You're right, you're right.
He will assist you.
Beautiful, beautiful. You're right.
Thank you.
Boss.
Chigozie.
It was a success, boss. He's dead.
He's dead, right?
Yes, boss.
Good. I'll see you guys later.
Okay, boss. Thank you, boss.
Imagine. So easily. A small boy. A butterfly that calls himself a bird.
Mom. My angel. How are you? It's late. Go to bed.
What about you? Is Daddy?
Daddy is fine. Just go to bed, alright?
Good night.
Good night. He doesn't stay out late. Why is he not back by this time? Something bad might have happened to my husband.
Do not bring curse upon yourself. Nothing has happened to my brother. Where is your faith?
This is not a matter of faith, sister. My husband doesn't travel without letting me know. Something is wrong somewhere. Something must have happened to him.
Oji has changed in recent time. You confess to it. Maybe this is one of his new attitudes we are yet to see.
Far from it. He left with nothing. Okay, fine. Even if you are right, why is his number not going through?
Nancy, you need to pray. Pray harder. This is one of the temptations that come with fasting. Do not back down or look away from God. I am as worried as you are, but my faith remains strong, and I know that God Almighty will never put us to shame. Just calm down. Be still. Be still.
Lizzy, my daughter, today is your day.
Exactly.
You have every cause to rejoice. You have to be glad. Dika omenala isi ready. Mmanya na-ebunye gị. Iye bulumaya jebu yonya anwa. Ina gwam kemgbe na echigola. Eh? That man who have given you sleepless nights. Eh? Hinaga. So bulumanya jebu yonya hisi na echigola. You swear. Adam mother.
Why your ma?
And then never joke.
Hey!
And then they
You want fight? Iroko, you want fight and you want fight and
Ijele, you are dead. And there is no sacrament between the living and the dead.
Brought an axe into my playground.
I am not scared of you. I am not scared of you. Ijele, I am not.
I came to tell you that I got your message. I will send mine.
If I go Jamie the number, if I book Okosisi, Iroko, if I go Jamie the number, or the number, Iroko, Okosisi, Imokwanochi, Okosisi, you want fight? Okosisi, Iroko, Okosisi, Imokwanochi, Okosisi, you want fight and
Baby, did you miss me?
No, you are dead.
I'm still alive.
Daddy!
What is wrong with you? Why are you stopping my angel from coming to me?
I was told you are dead.
I am alive. Do I look like a ghost? Huh?
you get in here? There is a level to this game.
I was very worried. I called your phone countless times, but it was switched off. I told your sister about it and she asked me to remain positive. A few days later, rumors went round that you were dead, that you were shot alongside your bodyguard.
Yes, Ikemba shot me.
What? Is he still accusing you of killing his brother?
Yes. He attacked me, shot me. Stephen died. But I managed to escape.
Even without a bullet wound?
I had a bulletproof vest on.
You knew they were coming?
You have no idea who your husband is. That's why they call me Ijele. I knew that someday that stupid boy will strike. So I was always prepared.
Thank God.
You won't fight.
Thank God you are back.
You won't fight and
Welcome, loyal servants, to the temple.
I shall ever remain loyal and submissive to this great brotherhood.
The time of the year has come, and it is time for you to redeem your pledge to the great temple.
What does the oracle seek from me? That I shall give.
Your courage is overwhelming. Your dedication to the temple of Alikija is inspiring. Your loyalty is also appreciated. You have obtained favor and mercy in the eyes of the great temple.
Great one. And I ask again, what does the oracle seek? That I shall do.
Welcome back.
I remember I was shot.
It is written, those who will obtain mercy shall obtain mercy. You have found favor in the eyes of Alikija.
Thank you, great one.
You will sacrifice 3 virgin heads in replacement for yours in 7 days.
How long was I unconscious?
7 days.
My family will be worried. I need to speak to them.
No. You need rest first.
How did I get to the coven?
I picked you. I saw it coming.
Thank you, Alhaji.
Alhaji, we share the same oath, and that makes us brothers.
Oji. You now live in fear.
You're not here to judge me, are you?
I am your sister. Speak to me. Together we can ask God for forgiveness and mercy.
I have told you before, I am innocent.
Prove it. You left with him very wretched and miserable. Weeks later you return with so much wealth and his corpse.
It's not my fault. Everybody will die. Death is inevitable.
Not mysteriously.
It's not in my hands to choose how people die. I'm not God.
Not when a lot of controversy is hanging around you. And I witnessed you slumped after you were shot. How come you surfaced without a bullet wound?
You amaze me. You talk about God all the time, yet you don't even believe in miracles.
God is not a magician.
Well, I'm still alive today because God wants me to be alive. It's not yet my time.
Did you kill Chinedu?
I've told you before, I did not kill him. Why will I kill my best friend? Why?
Why then have you refused to see the parish priest? Why are you running away from God?
I am not running away from God. No mortal can run from God. God is omnipresent. It means he's everywhere. He's inside this compound as we speak. He's here. Leave me alone.
Oji.
Stop calling me by that name! I will never conform to your desires because I serve a living God!
Mirocha lives too, just like the great deity in heaven, Osebrua, who made all.
Your destiny was ordained by your Osebrua. Mirocha is waiting. The throne has been left empty for a very long time. Ekema, you are called. You are called. You are called. You are called.
I will never answer. Never. One does not fight with Achi unless Osebrua, the greatest deity of creation, loses its breath. Only then will you fail to serve your fate.
Let us embrace peace and harmony.
Sister, honestly, it's not my decision to make. If it was just me, I would let this fight slide.
Then talk to him like a wife.
And you think I have not? I have, but he refused to listen to me. See, I have no problems with anyone because I always leave my battle for God to fight. Ikemba is the problem and not me.
Maybe I should wait for him.
That sounds like a miserable idea. I'm even grateful he's not around. He doesn't want to see any of Oji's relatives. So I advise you leave before he returns. For your safety, sister, please.
I have heard you. I will devise a means to talk to him.
That would be nice. As long as you don't calm yourself.
Thank you so much. I should be on my way now.
Alright, sister. So.
So, what did she say?
She wants me not to see him again because of his current hatred for my family.
She was being honest. If you had told me earlier, I wouldn't have allowed you to visit their home.
I need your help, please.
I'm all ears. What do you want me to do?
Father, I don't want this world to claim lives. Please help me.
Babe, where did you get all this money from?
And how is that your business?
You are my friend, and we share the same apartment. It is right I know where you start endangering your life by taking some life-threatening decisions.
Well, very soon, I'll get myself an apartment and I'll leave this miserable house for you. Or should I say, I will dump you here. Because I can see that your jealousy is becoming too much.
Has he gotten to that?
Of course, yes.
Jealous of what exactly?
Oh, jealous of the woman I'm becoming.
By sleeping with men for money.
Excuse you? Would you give me some respect? See, I'm not a prostitute. And I don't sleep around with men. I sleep with my boyfriend. And he gives me money in return. So get that into your stupid empty skull.
Is that what you think?
That's what I know.
Okay.
So get that into your skull.
Continue.
I have it, great one.
Drop it in a bowl. Congratulations. The ritual is successful. Go and enjoy endless wealth.
Alright, great one. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love that.
Do not say I didn't warn you.
Well, I can see that your witchcraft is rapidly growing. Maybe I should leave this room for you.
What is it?
Oh, you lied on me!
Dear Father, I will not let the killer of my brother to go unpunished.
Ikemba, I know how you feel, but vengeance is from God. Don't make it yours.
I already have. And there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Please, learn to forgive. It's a virtue.
Father, I will see to it end. And I've gotten to the point of no return.
I'm afraid you regret it if you don't back down.
I don't mind putting my life to this battle, Father.
Putting your life down? Come to think of it, what if this young man is innocent after all?
Then the devil is innocent.
Boss.
What is the development?
Boss, there is a traitor outside.
A traitor?
Yes, boss. And she said she wants to see you.
She wants to see me. Who is she?
It's okay now. Stop crying. It's okay.
Tell me, why should I? Do I have a reason to stop crying?
Yes. Life. You still have life. That is enough reason for you to stop. Wipe your tears.
Even when I lost my womb.
You know you brought this upon yourself. I warned you. But you disregarded
Would you please?
You just called me jealous.
Not now. The best thing you can do to me now is to encourage me. Please.
I'm sorry. It's okay. Just wipe your tears. Don't continue like this.
No.
What are you doing in my abode?
I'm here for us to talk.
You know that you're a traitor, an enemy.
I'm no one's enemy.
A friend of my enemy is an enemy.
My husband is innocent. That is why I'm here.
Is that what he told you?
I found out.
All is fallacy.
You just have to believe. That's the truth.
So you want to prove how brave you are? You now step into the lion's den to prove yourself. My revenge mission is already on, and I'm going to start with you. Boys. Caesar.
Please don't do this to me. We're friends.
Don't move.
We're friends. Say friends.
Please.
We stopped being friends the day your husband killed my brother. You know where you put her? Hmm?
Please.
Put her there.
Please don't do this to me, please.
Stupid woman.
Good day, boss.
Any development?
Yes, boss. The veggies are ready.
Good. Prepare them for tomorrow.
Okay.
Boss, your wife is in Ikemba's custody.
What?
Yes, boss.
Ikemba, I'm not here to banter words with you. Give me my wife.
I will sacrifice your wife exactly the way you killed my brother.
Ikemba, this is not a joke. If you want to fight me, come out like a man. Don't be a coward. Fight me. My wife has nothing to do with this.
She has a lot to do with it. Remember what I told you. I said it to you. I will strip you of everything that is hold so dear to your heart. I will do it. You think I'm joking?
Ikemba. Ikemba. The only reason I'm being lenient with you is because your late elder brother was my very good friend, my best friend. Go and ask questions. The worst thing you can do to a man is to touch his wife. Give me my wife. I'm giving you 4 hours. 4 hours to return my wife, else I'll visit you.
You give me 4 hours. How dare you? Who the hell are you? You stand before me to give me hours? Who are you to give me hours? You're giving me 4 hours to do what?
Kemba.
You don't have respect. I've seen it. What's your problem?
Let nothing happen to Becky. You better do something.
I'm doing my best.
Your best is not good enough.
So what would you have me do?
Confess and seek forgiveness.
What is wrong with you? How many times will I tell you this? I did not do it. You want me to confess to a crime I didn't commit?
You can deceive everyone, including Becky, but not me.
So you think I did it?
I know you did it. Your guilt has even distanced you from God.
Becky is my wife. Her safety is more of my concern than yours. Let me be.
You have become a beast. I fear if blood still means anything.
Enough! Enough. I will not talk about this with you again. Enough.
You want fight? Iroko, you want fight and Iroko, want fight and Iroko, you want fight and
Do you have his wife?
Stay out of this, woman.
Don't you think you're taking this too far? Why not let the sleeping dog lie?
My brother's death must be avenged.
Even when he threatens the peace of the living?
I don't care. It's none of my business.
I never knew you for this. I mean, you are so peaceful, loving and caring. What really changed you?
I love that. You never knew me for this. So peaceful, loving and caring. The world spat of me and made me a monster.
My love, there is more to live for. Leave vengeance for God.
No, I have sacrificed a lot, and I won't be going back because I've crossed the Rubicon.
I see you've grown wings, Ikemba.
Make it an open confession. I am more superior more than you, and there is nothing anyone can do about it.
Life is spiritual, Ikemba. There is more to this life than what meets the eye.
Agreeable idiot. I am not spiritually blind. I have it in my hand. Your life, I have it in my hand. So stop talking rubbish.
My wife is very dear to me, Ikemba. If anything happens to her, you will pay for it dearly.
You are very stupid. I said you're very stupid. Now let me tell you, I will kill your wife and bring her corpse to you, and you cannot do anything. I will chase you, I will pursue you. Let me tell you, every living thing that makes you happy, I will crush them before I will send you to your early grave.
Ikemba. Ikemba. Your generation will be told about your miserable end. Mark my words, Ikemba.
Okay, Kaidenesian. Idiot. Onyala. Get out of my phone.
Father.
Oji, may the peace of the Lord be with you.
Also with you, Father. Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah. You refused my invitation.
I've been busy.
Busy? Even for the Lord who made you?
I've actually been making plans to come see you at the parish.
What plans are you making to rescue your wife?
I'm on it. I have a plan in motion already.
Let us pray.
It is time to eat, my dear. For how long will you keep drinking just water?
As long as I stay here.
Listen, you are not living here alive, so there is no need being afraid of poison. When it's time to kill you, there are many ways you can be killed.
I have done nothing to you.
Listen, you should have told that to your husband earlier. For now, it is too late. Better eat so you won't join your ancestors in an empty stomach.
You have no right to talk about my death.
Even when it is obvious that I may be the one to kill you. Eat your food.
did you get in here? I know you left with your boys, and I've been hearing gunshots outside.
I left before them.
I am telling you that I've been in this bedroom without door locked. How then did you get in without me seeing you?
Well, it's your choice not to see me. I will not force you to see me. It's your choice. And then, how do you want me to answer that question?
Man, I know what I am saying.
What are you saying? Eh? Woman, please. I have a lot on my head now. I don't want any disturbance at all now. Please. Please.
Hi, Angel. How are you?
Dad, where is Mom? I've not seen her for days.
Mom is fine. You have nothing to worry about.
I hope nothing bad has happened to my mom.
Nah, nothing bad can happen to Mommy. Mommy is fine. She traveled.
Why then hasn't she called to talk to me?
Maybe because she's very busy where she is. You know, Mommy. But she'll soon be back. Okay? Mommy will soon be back. And I know she'll buy you a whole lot of things. Okay, go upstairs to your room. I'll soon join you. What's the report?
We'll kill one of his boys.
I didn't ask you to kill anyone.
We needed to defeat his boys who opened fire in his defense.
So you have him now?
No, boss, he disappeared.
And you wasted my time. Get out of here.
Iroko, Oko Sisi, Imokwanochi, Oko Sisi. You want fight? Oko Sisi. Iroko, Oko Sisi, Imokwanochi, Oko Sisi. You want fight and Oko Sisi. Iroko, Oko Sisi. Ochi, Oko Sisi. You want fight and
left her here.
Listen to me. I am not in for any hide and seek game. Where is the woman I left under your custody?
She was here when I left.
You think I'm joking with you? You think I'm joking with you? You better find that woman and bring her to me, or I will cut off your head.
Yes, boss.
My wife is being held hostage by that imbecile. I do not want her to die.
You misplaced your priority. If you had come earlier, you would have found the solution that you seek.
I'm sorry, Great One. I thought I could handle it.
You have 3 days to sacrifice the virgins.
That is not a problem, Great One. The virgins are ready. I'm worried about my wife. I want to bring her home safe and sound.
The sacrifice of the virgins will prepare you for your spiritual warfare, to help you possess the powers that will match your rival spiritually. In that way, you can challenge him in your spiritual battle.
Noted, Great One. In that case, I'll bring them into the temple tonight.
I will be waiting.
What's good?
She's nowhere to be found. I even visited her husband's abode, and from all investigation and indication, she has not returned to them.
the person I left under your custody.
Boss, I've made sure that the whole building was under lock and key. And we returned back there to find out that the entire place is still locked. But I wonder how she managed to escape.
So now tell me, how did she gain exit?
But I don't know. I'm surprised. I don't know.
Now listen to me. Go find her.
Okay, boss.
Bring her back to me.
Yes, boss.
Deep search. That's what I want from you. Pick other boys. You people must find her and bring her back to me.
Consider it done, boss.
I don't want Oji to set his eyes on her.
Okay, boss. Consider it done, boss.
Listen. If it's possible, shoot her. Kill her. Bring me her head.
Okay, boss.
I need an evidence of her mother.
Consider it done, boss.
And if you fail, I will kill you. Bastard.
What have I done to myself? What have I gotten myself into? So this is the end. This is the end of it all.
You don't tell me you've not gotten over this. How long are you going to continue like this?
Why should I? No, would you tell me? Why should I? I didn't just lose my womb. But then, I lost it. I lost it forever.
I think this is time to tell you the truth. All you cared for was the money. Now even the money cannot solve a situation. No amount of money can undo what has been done. Now you've learned that money is not everything.
Yeah. I've learned. I've learned a lot. But the only regret I have is learning the hard way.
It's okay. At least you can now set your priorities right. You still stand the chance to win grace to heaven.
No. I wish I can have the chance to have my womb back. Because that's the only thing that matters to me right now.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm as good as nothing.
Pull yourself together. Hmm?
Who am I married to? I am asking you.
Why do you ask?
Because it has become obvious I dated Ikemba for years. But who I am married to, I do not know.
You are married to Ikemba.
No, I am married to a total stranger. And if I don't get the answers I demand, I will leave this house today.
Why? You can't leave our house. I mean, if you leave, I will stay with who? Nobody.
Girls, you will be comfortable with those your armed men that follow you around. When you need me, you know where to find me.
Babe, this one you're sleeping by this time of the day. Babe, better gist today, oh. Felicia, wake up now. Can you be sleeping by this time? Babe. Baby. Felicia. Oh. No! No, Felicia, you shouldn't have done this! No! No, Felicia, you're supposed to do this!
What is the meaning of all this child's play?
Ikemba, take a very good look at my face. I'm not smiling. Inano, I am not smiling. Give me my wife. Let me live here in peace.
You better live here in peace before I start with you.
You do not threaten the Ijele, Ikemba.
I swim in scary oceans that you cannot withstand its pressure. I am well prepared for you. Leave this place.
Ikemba, do not fire that gun.
You think I'm joking with you?
Do not fire that gun.
Iroko, Roko Sisi, Imokwanochi, Roko Sisi. You want fight? Roko Sisi.
Baby.
Iroko, Roko Sisi, Imokwanochi, Roko Sisi. You want
baby.
fight and
Baby, talk to me.
Iroko, Roko Sisi, Ochi, Roko Sisi. You want fight and
Are you happy now, stupid boy? I warned you. I said, do not fire that gun. Do not fire that gun. You wouldn't hear. Idiot. Stupid boy. Have respect for your elders, a man not now. Stupid boy.
Are you prepared? This is not child's play. You are ready for battle, but are you prepared? This is not child's play.
careless.
It's not my fault.
This is not good. This is not good at all. First you lost your brother, and now your wife. To one man? Come on. It's not good.
Oji, you have crossed it. I will pay him an unforgettable visit. Even if it's the last thing I'll do on earth.
I'm back now, bro. And we'll fight this battle together. I am back for you. We shall fight together and conquer together.
You're right. I believe you. But Oji.
As noble na agwo emeli foje bala agwo. Omaze wele enko. You don't need to feel guilty of anything. He brought war to your doorstep.
You know, his wife had nothing to do with this. She was innocent.
Innocent, you said. The whole world is guilty. So everybody living in it is guilty as well. Friend to your enemy is also your enemy.
Because of Ikemba's elder brother, Chinedu. I don't know, I still find it difficult declaring him my enemy.
But he is, yes, he is your enemy. The deed is done. I think you should focus on finding your wife.
I don't think my wife is still alive. If my wife is still in Ikemba's custody after what happened to his own wife, he'll kill her. He'll kill her.
I don't know. I woke up and found myself in a refuge dump.
A refuge dump?
Yes. Previously, I was in a room where Nkeba held me hostage. And then I had a dream. In this dream, I saw the witches worshipping me. When I woke up, I found myself in a refuge dump.
This is serious.
Very strange. Okay. I cannot fathom this.
You have to see the Reverend Father tomorrow morning after morning mass.
we are late.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Our car broke down the road. Sorry, dude.
Heavily protected. It's like they were aware of our coming.
Shut up your mouth!
I'm sorry, boss.
Stupid you! You keep giving excuses all the time! Excuse! Even to kill a baby you cannot even kill! I'm so disappointed in you!
I'm sorry, boss.
Get out of my sight! You bloody idiot!
Sisi, Imokwanochi, Boko Sisi. You want fight? Boko Sisi. Iroko, Boko Sisi. Imokwanochi, Boko Sisi. You want fight? Boko Sisi. Iroko, Boko Sisi. Ochi, Boko Sisi. You want fight? Iswallow what you know. Inokwalumbe na fo. Ikwalokwala funa.
Take her inside. Let's go to the hospital. Hurry. My Lord Spiritual, please save my daughter. I'm begging you. She's all I have. Everything I have in this world. I do not want her to die.
So, Prepano Muslim, gods of the great temple of Alikija, Wargani Sekachia. So, Prepano Muslim. Go and bury your dead.
Huh?
Her spirit is far gone and nowhere near to return.
My Lord Spiritual, please, do not say this. I trust you. I believe in you, eh? Isn't there anything you can...
There is nothing I can do. And there is nothing I can do. Go and bury her.
Why me? My only child, my only daughter, why me? Oh, you're the architect of your own problem. How? The future and fate of your family lies in your hands. Save it. I'm confused. What are you talking about? Ekema, daughter of a Mirocha. Tomorrow lies on your shoulders. Take up the mantle and decide.
What is going on here? How come you know that name and those words?
You are called. 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 You are called.
You cannot change your destiny. In the desert, lion roars. The bars chant. The tree sways in the honor of one. The chosen one. A name is hard. A maiden is called Ekema. You are called. You are called. No. You are called. No. You are called. No. You are called. You are called.
What is it?
They're after me.
Who's after you?
The witches.
Witches?
I see them when I sleep. I see them when I wake up. I hear them. They want me. They keep calling. They're after me. Father, I tried rebuking them.
And what did they say to you?
They said Osebruwa, the god of my creation, has an agreement with my chi that I must live up to.
Do you say they now appear to you not just in dreams but in reality?
Yes. They are now using every object and images they see against me.
Have you been doing the prayers I assigned to you?
I have.
Well, I'll be traveling to Jerusalem soon. I won't stay long. But when I return, I shall pay a divine visit to your home.
What does that mean?
Osebruwa is the god of the universe.
For them to acknowledge him, are they of good?
I can't say they're of evil, but definitely they are not worth serving.
They refer to him as God Almighty.
Because he is the supreme God. All other gods were created by him. Good and evil bow to him.
This is becoming more complicated.
At this point, we need intervention of the Holy Spirit.
Congratulations, brother.
Yeah.
This is really a big one.
Well, but not worth sleeping on. This is just the beginning.
Very true. Very true. So, who is next?
The wife.
The wife.
Yes.
She mysteriously got out of your custody. I think you should skip her. For real.
You think so?
I know so. Bro. This matter has lingered for long. Hit the target and move on with your life. Life is just too short for you to live the rest of your life in revenge.
Then I will need your help.
You don't have to worry about that. You know you can call me anytime and any day. Or we find a middle line.
Do you want to see them?
Yes, my Lord Spiritual, if it's possible. I want to witness what my wife has been passing through.
Wash your face in that bowl. It contains the blood of the virgins.
Jesus. Why the shock? Were you here yesterday?
I was not in town and I told you. Did anyone tell you I came looking for you?
Yes. No. Sorry. Come in.
No one touches Imiracha's anointed.
The battle was fought by Miracha.
You were saved to answer the call. You are called.
You are called. You are called. You are called. You are called.
Baby. Baby. Baby.
How did it happen?
They came. He walked in, saw them and slumped.
Have you taken him to the hospital?
The doctor was here.
What did he say?
He said he's medically okay.
And he's still unconscious?
Yes, I'm very confused right now.
Let's take him to the hospital.
His friend said I should wait for him.
Why?
I don't know. Let's just wait for him.
What do you seek?
I seek power. Powers to end my enemy.
What you seek, you shall have, great son of Bukutu. Go and conquer! Go!
Bukutu is great. Bukutu will live forever.
Go! Go! Go!
What is keeping him? We should take my brother to the hospital.
I am becoming impatient.
Where is it?
In the room.
Okay, you wait here. You will show me the way.
Why doesn't he want us around?
I don't know. Let's just wait.
I am no longer comfortable with this.
He's my husband's bosom friend.
This is his room.
Okay.
Let's go.
No. Look for me outside. I'll make sure no one comes in. I'll see.
You want fight?
Miracle knocked you unconscious.
I'm still alive.
That is because the Lord Spiritual communed with the Miracle and pleaded for mercy. And you were pardoned. You have to be in the temple tonight for cleansing.
Thank you, Elijah. Thank you. I know you must have played a very vital role in interceding on my behalf.
Very brother.
This is not just play. You are ready for battle, but are you prepared? This is not just play. If I go Jamie, the number. If I go see, Iroko. If I go Jamie,
baby.
You want fight?
What happened? You were unconscious.
Yes. You revived me.
How?
I don't know, I just know I'm here now. You should thank him. Elijah. Thank you.
What are friends for?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great one. That stupid boy Ikemba is really disturbing me. It's disturbing me. I know I have the powers to destroy him, yet you say I shouldn't. I need to know why.
Brukutu is very powerful.
Does that mean they are more greater than us?
Never. But we cannot fight them.
Great one. Even when they fight one of our own.
Dodoma and Brukutu have covenants years ago, and we cannot fight them.
Why?
Because he was in need and met with Brukutu, who granted his request in exchange for immunity against him.
My Lord Spiritual, does it mean we will sit and watch Oji die?
He has an option. Mirocha. Mirocha can destroy Brukutu in a twinkle of an eye.
So how do I consult Mirocha?
Your wife. Yes. Tell your wife to answer her call. In that way, Mirocha can save you.
But what?
Baby, you look so worried. What's the problem?
You.
Me? How?
Our existence is threatened. Our family is under siege.
Baby, we have to trust in God. God is our only hope.
No, you are our only hope.
What do you mean?
Our fate lies in you. Save us.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Answer the call of Miriacha.
You are joking.
I'm not joking. If you fail, we will die.
I thought you killed him.
He still lives.
How? But the Grandmaster promised us victory. He said we have immunity against your brotherhood and nobody was going to come after us, so I don't understand what really happened.
I thought the same thing. I got information that he returned to his abode today.
I don't understand. How? How did this happen? I don't understand what you're saying.
That's the same question I keep asking. Because I watched him slump and die. Yes.
Again, but this doesn't sound right, bro. That this is really a bad news. This is not right. That there's a big problem here.
Respect as my good friend, my bosom friend. You have to hear me out. This is not my fault. Oh, something went wrong. I feel your pain. You have to hear me out. This is not my fault. Oh, something went wrong.
Where is my wife? I've not seen her since I arrived.
She traveled.
Traveled? When? To where?
She traveled today to the forest of Miriocha.
Jesus. And you allowed her?
I don't have a choice. It's a sacrifice she has to make for the good of the family.
Holy Mary. Oji, I am disappointed in you.
Well, at this point, your disappointment doesn't really mean anything to me. My safety comes first. This one has just very little alcohol. Very little for you. Just about 7%.
I am called. I heard. I listened. I answered. I have come home to where I belong. Miriocha is satisfied.
The wind will bear witness to this day.
Animals
will bear witness.
Every creature of Osebrua is a witness.
I am a witness.
We are witnesses. I accept. I am chosen. I have accepted.
Why? Oji, why?
He who bears the load knows where it pains.
God is ready to relieve you. Why didn't you run to him?
And why should I run to him? Tell me. Give me one reason I should run to him. For years I waited on the Lord. I believed in him. I kept on praying and fasting. What did I get? Huh? Even when I had other opportunities, I let those opportunities pass me by. I kept on believing in the Lord. What did I get? Rejection, poverty, misery, pain. Until I embraced my new way of life. How long was I supposed to wait on the Lord? Forever?
That is not enough reason for you to turn back on God.
Well, I've made up my mind. I've made my decision.
Do not tell me you've soiled your hand in evil.
And if I did, does it concern you?
How did you make your money?
Is your money missing? Leave me alone.
What's happening to
Chinita?
You want fight? You want fight?
Wake up, Reverend Sister. You just won't wake up. You're disturbing me.
You want fighter?
Miriocha, you called. I heard. I listened. I answered. I have come home. Inaugurate me, mother. Sanctify me so that I will do that which fate has bestowed on me and make my Chi and Osebrua proud. Ekema, you were called. You heard. You answered. You came. Blessed is the chosen one, for she will sit on the throne of Miriocha. Your servants shall lead you to your throne. Thank you, Mother.
They have taken refuge in the arms of Miriocha.
The Great One, Who is Mirocha?
The mother deity of the river.
Does it mean he's out of our reach?
No. We can still conquer. Brukutu is superior to all deities. Every other deity. We can still conquer.
The Great One, please help me, the Great One, to achieve my desire. If you help me achieve my desire, I shall sacrifice myself to you for the rest of my life.
Father, thank God you're back. So many things have gone wrong. Evil and darkness have beclouded my family. Father, I need your help. Please, help me.
Sister, we are instruments in the hand of our Maker, God Almighty. His wish can only prevail. In due time, He will make everything right again.
Time is of essence, Father. We must act fast before you will fully take charge of my family.
Sister, where is your faith? Do not panic. At the appointed time, God will rise up and fight His battle. Do not doubt God.
You did right in killing my brother. In that case, I will do right in killing you too.
Ikemba, if I get into this car, I will run you over. If you try firing a shot at me again, you will die. Yes.
How dare you come for my servant?
One does not ask to see why. He dines with my anointed. He is untouchable.
Maybe I have to deal with you first.
You won't fight.
Still standing.
You won't fight. You won't fight.
I have soiled my hands with blood. So much blood. I do not deserve to live.
Confess your sins.
It all started when I was thrown out of my house. I had to return to my friend's place.
Onuwaje, why won't your daughter be sent home from school when you are poor and miserable at the same time? Eh?
Chidi, what's your problem? Huh? What's wrong with you now? Is it because I'm asking you for money? Or Odimma, talking to me like this, is it good? You are my friend now. If you don't have this money, you tell me you don't have the money. It's very simple. Instead of insulting me, I'm not saying you should just give me like that. Borrow. Lend me money, I will pay you back. If you don't have, you say you don't have. Simple.
Borrow. I am not insulting you. I'm only asking to know how you intend to pay back when you have borrowed from me.
Good question. If I don't make the money, I'll borrow from someone else and pay you back.
If you borrow from somebody and pay me, how do you intend to pay back who you have borrowed from?
I will borrow from someone else and pay back that person.
And how do you intend to pay back who you have...
If you don't want to give me the money, you say it. Why are you interrogating me like this? Is it your business how I get the money to pay you back? Huh?
Do you see your life?
You see it. You just said it now. See my life. It's my life. It's not your own. Are you giving me the money or not?
I'm only talking as a concerned citizen, but that's by the way. We have options. How about we go and see Alhaji and just say bye-bye to poverty and all this boroboro tata boroborochi. If I make one more, I'm ashamed of myself and ashamed of you at the same time.
Alhaji.
Alhaji.
Ready.
You're ready for what?
Yeah. If meeting Alhaji is all it takes to make money, guy, I'm ready.
Now you are talking like a man. Bro, governor, let's do something. Now you are talking.
I'm ready.
So when are we going to see Alhaji? Like, when are we ready to
I
go?
don't even understand you. I just said I'm ready. Is it that you don't want to connect me? Where's your
I have to connect.
I just said I'm ready now.
No problem, right?
Alhaji, we'll just be honest with you. We have communed with you for some time now. We're here to make money. Huh? You don't understand.
It takes more than communing with me to belong to the table of men.
Aha. I told you. I said it. I was telling my friend that there's more to this thing. You showed us this side, but you refused to show us the other side. Alhaji, we are not children. Tell us how this thing works. We are men.
Are you ready to do what it takes?
Alhaji, maybe I didn't get that part well. Did you just say what? What did you just say?
I said, are you sure you are ready to do what it takes?
Yeah, Alhaji, is that one? We are very ready. Yes.
Stop laughing.
Okay. Alhaji.
If you keep laughing, Alhaji will think we're not serious. Cut on you.
Alhaji, we are ready. We are very ready.
We are ready, Alhaji.
In that case, you have to prepare for tonight. I will take you to the temple of riches and wealth.
Thank you, Alhaji. Wait. What time?
I'll give you a call.
Thank you, Alhaji. Okay, no.
You want to make money? It's okay.
He said he would call us. I'm going to call him. He initiated us into the secret cult and made us carry out so many assignments. I've spilled so much blood. So much blood. All in the quest to retain my wealth. So much.
Lord of Jesus. Jesus. What about Chinedu? What happened to him?
Chinedu died as a result of the hard drugs he took.
And how do you expect people to believe this?
Chinedu, let's go, no time. Let's go and complete what we started. Hey! Okay, Bowago. Iliwago, my guy. Enough now, let's go. Guy, there's no time, let's go. Chinedu. Hey. Hope it's not what I'm thinking of. Chinedu. Hey. It's not what I'm thinking.
He's dead.
Hey.
He took overdose.
I know he took this thing, but I thought maybe he's sleeping or something. Hey, no now. No. Chinedu. Hi, no. Chinedu. Sadly, everyone thinks I killed him. Nobody believes me. Nobody.
I am sorry, I should have believed you.
It's okay. The world we live in is like a script written by God. If a proper check was done, all these fights would have been prevented. But everyone wanted to flex their muscles. Now that we act as it is written, let's give peace a chance. I hope Ikemba will understand.
Ekema! Ekema! Ekema!
Hey! Shimon!
He was my friend, my bosom friend.
Don't
brothers. I owe him my last respect as my good friend.
You won't fight. Iroko, Roko Sisi. Imobanoji, Roko Sisi. You won't fight. Roko Sisi. Iroko, Roko Sisi. Ochi, Roko Sisi. You won't fight. It's Polo, what you know. You know, Walumbe, Lafo. You put up a lot for me. Oh, Iroko, Roko Sisi. You won't fight. Roko Sisi. You are ready for battle. Are you prepared? This is not child's play. You are ready for battle, but are you prepared? This is not child's play. Roko Sisi. If I go journey, let me a number. If I go Roko Sisi. Iroko, if I go journey, a number, or the number. Iroko, Roko Sisi, Imobanoji, Roko Sisi. You won't fight. Roko Sisi. Iroko, Roko Sisi, Imobanoji, Roko Sisi. You won't fight. Roko Sisi. Iroko, Roko Sisi. Ochi, Roko Sisi. You won't fight. You want to fight Iroko, you want to fight Ochi. Where will you start from? Will you start from the roots or the branches? Do you want to cut the stem? Don't be digging man. The world, don't push Ochi. Ochi, Roko Sisi. I said the world, don't push Ochi.